If you are curious about the Arctic food, the Marianne Polarrigg is recommended by the Visit Svalbard. You can come here and then you can order some what people think as the delicacy Svalbard whale and seal, reindeer. You can definitely check out this place if you are into eating some exotic food. There's no penguins in the North Pole. Marianne's is actually a very eclectic hotel. A school bus with a lot of penguins in it. There's like a pirate ship, or at least it's like a yacht ship with some kind of a wooden deck. You can get Thai massage, you can get like Aurora massage. There's a coal miner with his equipment. Just a lot of things. Yeah, check it out. I'm here inside the Kroa Restaurant, about to have lunch here. So I would like to thank Restaurant Kroa and also Visit Svalbard for arranging me this culinary experience. Would come here in the morning and just try to get the chef's breakfast, and of course hamburger. It's just pretty standard. That's I think what I'm gonna get. But Kroa is also a good place to get your pizza. Oh, awesome! Thank you so much. Yes. All right, let's eat. Oh, it's a really good burger, especially when you've been traveling for so long. It just kind of reminds me of a really good burger at home. It's really juicy. Bacon actually adds some kind of crunch to it. And the buns actually get some kind of burn. And the hamburger came with garlic base and mayonnaise dipping sauce. We'll see. Very garlicky. Kroa is really cool, really cozy. You could actually see some of the history here and a lot of historical photographs. The scenery is amazing. Highly recommended. Kroa Restaurant, just across from the information center. Visit Svalbard. I'm inside the Svalbard Brewery. This is the northernmost breweries in the world. As soon as I walked in, pretty hoppy smell. Some of the specialty that they're trying to sell is the Spitsbergen Pilsner. You could actually book a brewery tour here, but you have to go to the information center to do it. It is offered like a couple times a week. I think it's Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And then on Friday, this brewery is open for like a bar, so a lot of people would come here and just enjoy the brewery. Reindeer is known to be the northernmost chocolate factory in the world. They have 18 different things, and of course anything related to chocolate. They have cute polar bears and they kind of invite you over to hang out with them. So let's check it out. They have a menu of all the chocolates that they have available here, and it's anything from raspberry to chocolate with some sprinkles on top of it with the polar bears. So I have to purchase my own polar bear candy. It's kind of cute actually. It almost costs the same as my coffee, but hey, when else are you gonna be in Svalbard eating chocolate? And coffee's not bad, and it's definitely really good to have in a cold day. Polar bear in general, I'm pretty impressed with Longyearbyen. Longyearbyen is one of the cutest little town that I've ever seen. There's no single trees here as you expect. It's a simple town. One main street, and there's like a lot of really cute houses, and all the colors differently. If you look at the houses, all of them actually not built on the ground. It's everything is raised up because they have to avoid the frosty ground. So that's kind of interesting, but makes sense. He's not too happy. Why he looks so sad? For dinner, I'm planning on eating here at the coal miners' cabins. Of course, as tradition goes with oil, pretty much every building in Svalbard, you have to take off your shoes, get inside, and dine in. So there's several budget hostels and guest houses around here, and this is actually the perfect place to hang out. The place is really cozy. You walk in and it feels like the warmth. I think that's kind of generally the restaurants in Spitsbergen. So for dinner tonight, I ordered the Svalbard Reindeer burger, which has this Salzburg cheese, caramelized onion, salad, and mountain cranberries dressing. The best thing about it is that served in pretzel bread. I just had the cranberry sauce. It was actually very interesting. I can't taste the cranberry, but it's a little slightly sweet, and it's not bad. But of course, you're supposed to eat your burger as soon as you get it, and I was, playing around and trying to take photos and videos, and it's a little bit soggy at the bottom, but let's just have a bite. It is good. The sauce definitely kind of like on the sweeter side. Actually have some kind of mayonnaise to it, so it's kind of creamy and in the sweeter side. And the pretzel buns are great. But of course the highlight is the meat. It's moist inside, and then just kind of a little bit crunch on the when I bite through it, and it's gamey, and also it smells a little bit funky. Of course I'm not used to having a reindeer meat, but probably this is actually the typical. You think about all this gamey like elks and moose or reindeer, it probably smell like that when it's under the grill. People say alcoholic drink here in Svalbard is much cheaper than Norway, and which is true, especially because they have their own brewery and they don't have any Norwegian tax code to be applied here in Svalbard. A pint of this IPA from the Svalbard brewery costs 79 kroner, which is about 10 US dollars, versus if you go out to in Norway, it's probably about 14 or 15 US dollars. If you're wondering about the cost of food, the typical of burger like this is a reindeer burger, the specialty of Svalbard. It costs 169 kroner, or it's about 22 US dollars. Just keep in mind that your burger doesn't come with the sides. This slightly angry polar bear for 39.50 Norwegian krone. That's about 475 US dollars. I would be slightly angry too. That polar bear I just ate, it's 20 kroner, which is about $2.40, and it's like tiny. I just broke the menu, so